guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we'll be unboxing an iPhone 6s. That's right here with me, an iPhone 6s pre-owned iPhone. So if you cannot afford a latest iPhone, you could go for something like this if you wish, but I think this thing works, yeah, most of the people have. So in 2021, you can see if you will be able to use an iPhone 6s, and whether it's really going to work for you. So sit back, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, now we start unboxing the iPhone, and here is the box, as you can see. Yes, here's the box, you can see. Yeah, this is a pre-owned iPhone, that we want to unbox. So yeah, you can see for yourself, pre-owned. Okay, first remove the casing. So this is the iPhone, and it is white, and the back is gold. Yeah, white gold. Yeah. Yep. So cool. By the way, I on it first even. Yeah, it was on here. So here the iPhone is, and before even going into the iPhone, I could open the box and so that we see what's inside the box. This is the iPhone here. Yeah. Now the other step is, this is where the iPhone is placed inside the box. Yes, inside the box, this is where the iPhone is placed, and you can see, I think that is how we put it. Like this. Yeah, nice packaging. Yeah. Okay, then the next step is you have this designed by Apple in California. Now that is on the manual. That's on the manual, so you could see it's written here, designed by Apple in California. Good. Now on this one, when we slightly open it here, we'll find out the pin that is used to remove the SIM card on the iPhone, and that's the pin. You can see this is the pin. Okay, yeah, that's the pin. Then after the pin, you see here, inside here we have the manual of the iPhone. So here you have iPhone info. It's the iPhone info. Okay, this is like a manual, and here you have a sticker, Apple sticker. You could see the Apple sticker, how it is. Yeah, this Apple sticker can be put at the back of your iPhone. Yeah, it is. And here is the specification of the iPhone. Yeah, and I could read it says ring silent switch. That's on the right. You have the volume buttons. Then you have the sleep/wake up button. You have Retina HD display with 3D touch, and then you have the home button, touch ID sensor. You have the lightning connector, and then you have the slide to unlock. So that is what you see here. So literally this is just an introduction to the buttons and the lock screen of the of the iPhone 6. Yes. So after that, inside here, nothing else here. Yeah, but I really love this small pause they created to put the manual and other few things, yeah, that you will find in the iPhone 6 box. Okay, that's it. So next up, we see the cord. But this cord, like, this is a pre-owned iPhone, so I don't think this cord is the exact cord that was, you know, manufactured with this iPhone. But I found it in the box, so let's pass it. Here it is. Now we go in for the other piece. Inside is the earpiece. The earpiece is nice, you see. And on this side, this is what you see. On this side, this is what you see. Now the earpiece has the left and the right, and the volume button on the cord of the earpiece. You could see here this one and this one down here. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, I think somebody could try to open it. Oh, somebody could try to open it. And here it is. Yeah. Okay, there it is. So this is the earpiece. This is the earpiece. You could take it and it has a jack. It has a jack where you could connect it to the iPhone. Yeah. And these jacks are going away on iPhones now. Yeah. Apple is making a whole different form of earpiece, you know. So this one goes here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. And they're pretty nice. Yeah. Pretty nice ones. Okay. This is the right and this is the left. Okay. Now that's fine. Then inside the box I found this. I think this is something that was holding the cable. Yeah, if I was right. And you can see inside the box, this is how it is. And that's not detachable. That's not really detachable, but it's fine. Yeah. Okay, now I on the phone. Okay, phone is coming on. See? It will take some seconds. Okay, now the phone is on, so we can go directly into sliding apps. Yeah, this is the search. This is where the menu of the apps are, and I think it says finish setting up iPhone. Yeah, I've been setting it up, so I already set it up, so it's no need to go back all that. But now we could go to general and check the software of the phone. I actually updated it. It was 12.2. Now I updated it to the latest version. It's now 14.4.2. I think that's the latest version. You could see it exactly. All right. So here it is, 14 point, and is serial number. Now the capacity is 64 GB. Yes, capacity is 64 GB. So now the available capacity is 47.19 gigabyte. Yeah, and here are the other informations you have, like the IME, the IME number, Wi-Fi MAC address, carrier 445.0. Yeah, so that's it. It's pretty cool. You know, version 14.4.2, you could do a lot with that version on any iPhone. So this phone might be like one of the low budget phones that you could get, and it will serve you well, and you could do a lot with it. Yeah, let's go back. Yeah, features are here. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now here you could slide up and could increase the brightness, reduce brightness, increase brightness, reduce brightness, and here also you could turn on the light. Yeah, okay, here you could increase the light. Okay, that's it. Yeah, that's how it is. So you reduce it, turn it off, go one step, it's on, and when we go, it's getting brighter, like that. It's pretty fun. Yeah, so the Wi-Fi, you can on the connection here, Bluetooth, airplane mode, everything. So this iPhone is pretty cool. iPhone 6 is cool. Yeah. Before going for the expensive ones, if you're on a budget, you could get this phone and it will pretty work for you. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.